10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, smile, smile, 3, energy, 2, energy, 1.
Diyan nakatingin.
Kaya nga eh. Yes, ma'am! 2, 3, mabuhay! Welcome to Beanie's live stream! Yes, napapanood tayo ngayon sa Beanie Global, Beanie's official Facebook page at Beanie's YouTube channel. Taray! Ano tayo, all-rounders? And we are celebrating our 1 billion streams sa Spotify. Yeah!
Congratulations, Blooms! Congratulations sa atin, Blooms, kasi 1 billion streams na tayo sa Spotify. Cake!
Grabe naman! Pag may laging may pakain.
Parang first time ko makikita may nuts yung cake.
Dapat laging may live.
Congratulations, Beanie, for 1 billion all-time streams! Thank you, po! Thank you, Blooms! Thank you, world!
Oh, taste test. Okay, taste test.
Favorite mo talaga cake ng bebe? Sakto na lang.
Pwede ko bang ganito
Kaya
eh?
nuts.
Uy! Oh my God!
No, kaya...
A bite lang. Just a bite. Just a bite.
Puro bite.
I'm gonna get you a bite.
Guys, this is my cake.
Okay, come on. Let's taste test.
Oh, there's raisins! Actually, guys, can you just get na lang sa one side para makakain lahat? Ooh.
Wala na, kumuha na.
Sige.
I'm good.
Actually,
Gusto ko
sa cake, yung
Yeah,
tinapay
just
lang kasi may flavor.
Just one bite.
Para makakain.
Okay? Ito na sa one bite.
Saan yung cake?
Ah, you want cake? Akala ko nuts lang.
Ako yung want nuts lang, yung almonds.
Almonds? Ay, sorry.
Almonds.
You also want cake? Okay.
You need to clear your instructions.
Okay.
You need to clear your mind.
Para, wala ka eh.
Sarap.
Okay, that's it for today. Bye, guys!
Big bite.
Kailan tayo last na nag-live stream?
Tagal na. Yung one-on-one.
Ay, oo. May shoot tayo nun. Pero yes, this afternoon, guys, may lalaruin tayong game. We are going to play Beaniversity Quiz Show! Pero with a twist, kasi hindi tungkol sa amin ang mga questions, but about the cities na pupuntahan natin sa Beaniverse World Tour. Kaya meron tayo dito. Kaya meron tayo dito, ano, ganito.
Kala ko si Rin.
Ano to? Building to?
Oh, Ate Jonella, anong building to?
Di ba sa ano yan?
That's the Big Ben.
London. Asan yung isa?
My God.
This is,
Pumunta na tayo.
Burj Khalifa.
Umakyat tayo Burj Khalifa.
Picture.
Burj Khalifa yun?
Yung sobrang tagal ng elevator. Hindi tayo umakyat sa pinakataas.
At tapos magkano tayo tour doon na parang pili lang yung tour.
Yes, ang tulis ng ano niya. Water. Ang tulis. Kasing tulis ni Joe.
Okay, may isa pang twist.
Wow!
Kami ang sasagot ng questions, pero syempre, with the help of our Blooms, nasasagot sa poll. So, team effort to. Huwag nyo kami iwanan, Blooms. Nakikita, may screen kami dito na nakikita yung comments nyo. So, sa Beaniversity na to, lahat pwedeng sumali. Sa mga gusto sumali sa game, just scan the QR code na nakikita nyo sa screen.
Yes, just scan it. Just scan it.
Bebe, how to join?
Wait, may scan na, may QR code na ba? May nakikita na ba kayo?
Nasaan na? Oh. So, paano sumali, Ate Maloy?
So, fill out the registration form, okay? And vote for the correct answer to help us to win each round. So, pero for exclusive members lang po ito, bonus dahil special kayo, pwede kayong manalo ng prize. Just enter your membership ID for a chance to win exclusive prizes. At kapag nakakuha kami ng 8 out of 10 correct questions, maa-unlock ang prize for us, Beanie, global members, and top 8 players with the most correct answers in the fastest times will win. So, nakapag-scan na ba ang everyone? Okay?
Water daw pa.
Nakapag-register na ba ang lahat?
Yeah, ma'am.
So yes, gaya po ng sabi namin kanina, team effort to at maglalabas kami ng question and pictures at need natin piliin ang tamang sagot sa multiple choice, okay? Answer as fast as you can. And yung answers nyo ay may kita namin to help us answer the question also, okay? So, every correct answer po namin ay may premyo kasi every correct answer ay ma-unlock na may ma-unlock na food na inspired or related sa question na natin. Kaya naman guys, galingan.
Don't forget to breathe.
Galingan nyo. Hindi kayo makakain pag puro mali po yung sagot nyo. So, okay? First and last question ay buong group ang sasagot. So, questions 2 to 9 ay isa-isa kaming sasagot. At ang top ranked blooms by the end of this game ay makakatanggap ng prizes. 2 tickets for Miniverse, 1 Blink Twice jacket, 1 light stick. Winners may pick up their prizes on a specific date and venue. Okay, to be announced pa yan. Or they can contact us to arrange for shipping. Delivery fees will be shouldered by the winner. Oh, siya kayo magbabayad, okay? Let's start. Are you guys ready? Are you girls ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Yes! Let's go! Yeah!
Okay, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Anong city na kasama sa Beaniverse World Tour ang nanalo sa ng 2024 NBA Finals?
C, Dallas!
Los Angeles. B.
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 Lakers. D. Huwag ka mag-C.
B daw, B. B.
Kung alam sa basket.
No, it's B.
Baby nga, Joe.
Lakers.
Sure daw si She. Sure daw si Bebe.
B. Standby daw. Sabi nung nasa harap si Ate Janelle, standby daw.
Sino kilala mo doon? Anong group? Dallas?
Oh.
Sagot ka yan o nasa number 1. Ha?
Ay, nakita na yung sagot. Ah, no, that's not.
Ano yan? Question yan. From, Rib.
Ako?
Natiga Dallas.
Clue yan.
Feeling ko si yan, Dallas.
It's B. I think that's B. Di ba Blooms? B?
Lakers yan sa LeBron.
LeBron James.
LeBron James.
Oh, what's your hula?
I think it's Boston.
Okay, tama. Jarot. Si Joanna daw Kalamba Institute basketball team.
Kalamba.
Mosquito, Kalamba, basketball.
Dennis 5.
Jo, gusto mo dyan yun na lang to.
Oo.
Bawat
Okay, Boston daw. Boston. Los Angeles Clippers yun. Haha, may naalala ko. Boston. Eh di Boston.
Nakasamote dyan eh. Hindi ka namin naririnig eh.
Please speak your mind.
Boston daw, NBA. Hala, close agad ang
Ano ba? LA ba? Or
Saan po
Dallas?
nakalagay choices?
Feeling ko mag-proceed muna tayo sa number 2. Tapos mamaya na lang i-reveal.
Pag nakuha yan, may food, no?
Yes, every correct answer, meron tayong
Wala,
food.
tulungan nyo na kami para may pagkain.
Pili na kahit ano.
O, bigyan nyo daw si Gwen ng tinapay, ha?
Gusto ko ng
Anong gusto mo, Gwenny?
scrambled egg na.
Tapos may tinapay.
Ito pang toothpick.
Uy, ang dami pa tayo. Hindi ko alam ito pang-ipit ka.
Nagutom na ako.
What's the answer?
Yeah, man.
Nagkabuhol to.
Okay lang. As in, like, buhol, legit buhol.
Parang sinisir.
Bahol?
Dapat tama ang sagot natin dito.
Ano yan? Boston.
I told you.
It's LA!
Boston naman sagot natin.
Oh, Boston yung sagot namin. Oh, Boston.
Yeah, we chose.
Yung final answer namin, Boston. Oh, paano ba yan?
Boston ang sagot natin kasi
My answer is...
told me that you were sure. But why were you...
Okay, no food.
Yes, meron.
Ayan na!
Wow, what's... Ribs!
Wow. Ba't may keychain? Guys, saan galing po to?
This is the best life ever.
Ba't may keychain?
This is the best life ever.
Taray.
Okay, come on, let's eat. Just one na. Guys, thank you. Thank you for coaching us.